You are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by M.A.Mehboob. Today I am going to explain you the isometric problem. So how to draw this isometric problem of the machine component we have to draw. In the question he has given you the orthographic view. This is the front view and this is the top view. So how to draw with the front view and top view of the orthographic view of the isometric view. I am going to explain you in detail, so please watch my videos till the end, and please after watching my videos practice by yourself, then only you come to understand my problem. And this problem is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students, and this problem is of 10 to 15 marks for different branches. And please, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Now I am going to start my question. Draw the isometric view of the machine component shown in figure. This is the machine component and this is the front view and top view, and it is also called the orthographic view. With this orthographic view we have to draw the isometric view. So how to draw? See, in the front view, whatever is figure is there in the front view, we have to draw with this isometric 30 degree on the 30 degree angle lines. So I am drawing 30 degree front view from here. So you can draw from here also on this 30 degree angle. It's up to you, but maximum length is where it is, means from there we have to start. Okay, so I am drawing front view from here and top view from here, and side view automatically you will have, but in this question you don't have the side view. So without side view, only front view and top view, we have to draw the isometric view. So the length of this front view is how much? Here he has given you 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 20 50, 50 plus 10 60, 60 plus 20 80. Means total this line is of 80 mm. So this front view we have to draw from the front view only. So front view is of 80 mm. So I am drawing front view on this 30 degree line 80 mm. Okay, then after height of this line is 20 mm. This line 20 mm, this line 20 mm. So with this line we have to draw perpendicular 20 mm line from this end and this end, like this. Okay, these lines over. Now these two lines are somewhat having an angle, so he has not given you the angle, only dimension he has given. So we can't draw these two lines. So another lines like this line I will draw now. So by taking this half of this 80 mm, half will be 40. So its height is 20 mm only. So by taking the half of this 80, 40 mm, and with that 40 mm exactly straight perpendicular to it will be 20 mm. I have taken the distance, and now with this angle we have to draw that line. This line is of 20 mm. So 20 mm line we have to draw 10 mm here and 10 mm there. This 20 mm line I have drawn. And this line is also of 20 mm, 20 mm. Okay, how many vertical lines are there? That line should be drawn vertically only. So adjusting your divider, 20 mm line from here and also from here. Okay, this line over. Now these lines, that is of 10 mm. Okay, that line we have to draw with this angle 10 mm from this end and 10 mm from this end, like this. Okay, the remaining this slant edges that we have to just join it, that we have removed. Okay, your front view is finished now. Then after top view, now you have to draw the top view. By standing here only you have to draw the top view. Okay, so width of this top view is 80 mm. Already we are having the 80 mm width, and this line of the height is of 40 mm. So we have to draw 40 mm line from here, like this, 40 mm, and from here also 40 mm, like this, and from here also 40 mm, 40 mm, 40 mm, 40 mm. Join these lines vertically like this, and this is a slant. So slant we have to join it like this, and this one also. Now you see from the top, this is the top view. If you see from the top, this slant surface if you see from the top means this surface rectangle shape is visible. So from this in isometric view, this square rectangle shape is this one, and this on the 10 mm width of rectangle you are having this one, and this one will be in between, but we have to do some finishing for this rectangle. I will show you later. And this 10 mm, if you see in this rectangle, that is of this this, and this slant edge, that backside it is not visible. So in the isometric view it is not visible, that is over. Now for this middle side 20 mm, the height of this line is also 20 mm. Just you draw a line like this, okay, and this line is of almost 40 mm only, okay, and that line with this parallel line you have to draw 40 mm line like this, or you can join it like this, okay, and it is over. Now this surface means from the top the middle side square is visible, so that is also over. Now you check it from the front view, it is looking like this or not, or from the top view it is looking like this or not. So first we will check for the front view. See, from the front this surface is visible as this is the front view. Okay, from the top view this surface, slant surface is visible, okay, and this 10 mm rectangle shape, and in middle this surface, and with this rectangle shape 10 mm of width, and this slant surface, okay, that is the top view I have drawn with the complete solution of this isometric view of the machine component. So guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also after watching my videos, please practice by yourself, then only you will come to understand how to draw this problem. And please guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.